Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. We are back again with a new video. In this video we are going to create a 3D checkboard surface pattern using Python. So let us start this by importing the required libraries. So here NumPy is used for creating grids and performing numerical calculation like sine, cos, floor, etc. and matplotlib.pyplot used for plotting graphs and rendering the 3D surface. And now we'll create grid coordinates which are x and y. So np.linspace creates 100 evenly spaced values from -5 to +5 for both x and y axis, and np.meshGrid creates 2D grid from the 1D x and y arrays which are necessary for plotting surface. And now we'll define surface height, which are the z values. So this creates a wavy surface using a trigonometric function, and each x and y point gets a z value, forming a 3D landscape. And now we'll generate checkboard pattern. So here np.floorx takes the floor integer part of the each x and y coordinate and adds the floored x plus y and checks if the sum is even. It means divisible by 2. If so, true, then white square, else false, which is the black square. So this results in a checkboard like boolean mask. And now we'll assign colors to the checkboard. So here color is equals to np.0. This initializes an array of RGB colors, shape, rows and columns. For true cells in checkboard assigns white 111. For false cells assign black 000. And now we'll set up the 3D plot. So plt.figure creates a figure size of 6 by 6 inches and ax.plot plots the 3D surface using x, y and z coordinates. So this plots the 3D surface using XYZ data. Face color is equals to colors, applies the checkboard color pattern, and R stride and C stride are the row column steps for rendering set to 1 for full resolution. And now we'll customize the plot. So here we can see that ax.setTitle sets the suitable title to the plot with font size 14, and ax.setBoxAspect, this control aspect ratio, which is xyz compressed z, and axis of hides axis ticks and labels for a clean look, and plt.tightLayout adjusts spacing to prevent overlap, and plt.show renders the 3D checkboard surface. So here we can see a 3D checkboard surface. So thanks for watching this video.